Hi everyone, welcome back to the Core Hub. Today we have a very informative video about the Python applications and the target companies by who's normally hire the people with Python programming. So let's start. Python is a very simple and very popular language over the last 4 years. So the first question which came into the mind, what kind of the applications we have to code by using the Python. So there is no limit of the applications in Python domain, but the few of them is the web development, data analysis and visualization, machine learning and the AI, networking, robotics, desktop applications, game development, web scraping, and the scientific computing. These are just few applications, but the Python's footprint is bigger than these few names. So what we actually did by using Python, right now, if I would like to say which is the best application of the Python, then definitely it is the intelligent applications and AI, machine learning and large language modeling like ChatGPT, and these kind of the models are accessibly using the Python, and a bigger portion of the jobs is offered within this domain. But other than that, web is always an evergreen domain which never ends, but its job proportion is stable right now, and its growth is also stable. But it doesn't mean the web development is less important and the AI and ML is more important as compared to web development. At the end of the day, when you become an experienced kind of a developer, then these all applications are put together to deliver the services of this language. So the potential of this language is not be possible to assess on a single kind of the type of the software or the application. So web development is basically based on the frameworks like Diago and Flask, streamline web application development, and there are so many new platforms as well which is not possible to be included in a single video. Data analytics, big data and data science is a very popular terms nowadays, are used repeatedly for the job market. So data science has a bigger potential, but it works no doubt with the machine learning and the AI. So if I should say AI and data science work together, so then it is okay. I think it is not a wrong statement. Networking libraries also be programmed by using Python, and robotics, no doubt robotics is also a subdomain of the machine learning and the deep learning. So but it has some embedded application characteristics, and Python is also helping in the back end, middle layer and the front end of the robotics as well. Desktop application, it is a very broad term, and all of those applications which I already told you, they should be the part of the desktop applications. Game development is a very fast growing domain right now, but it should be include computer vision applications as well, and designing and development applications as well, and the inclusion of the social media and so media based applications are also be programmed by using the game development techniques. Web scraping is also a technique of the data science, and no doubt scientific computing is a very important domain, and the serious kind of the jobs are always offered in scientific computing. It should contain like SciencePy, NumPy, and used for the scientific and the numerical computations. Then what kind of the companies are, which companies should offer you the job with Python programming? So the big names includes Google, Netflix, Facebook, YouTube, NASA, Dropbox, Quora, Instagram, and so many other companies as well. If you should order these companies on the index of 100, I should assure you all those 100 companies must offer you a job by using the Python. So in this video, we should keep it short to just tell you what is the potential of the Python and what benefits you may have by understanding and learning through Python. So let's wait for our next video in which we should start Python programming in step-by-step fashion. Thank you so much.